那红团了，混蛋，啦呀！Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here new one. 这里的2个小时共读的 SAP tutorial here going to learn how to set up a company and company code in SAP IMG step by step. Whether you are a SAP beginner brushing up your skills, this video is for you. First, let's understand the basic. Company in SAP is a top organizational unit used for consolidations reporting. Company code, on the other hand, is the smallest organizational unit for which you can create a complete set of financial statements, balancings, and the P&L. Now, how to create a company in a SAP IMG setup. Now, let's go to SAP system and create a company. We do this from IMG implementation guide, or we can choose the navigation path like SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting, define company, or we can use white shifting or T code, transaction code. Now click on the new entries, fill the following details: company, company name, street, postal code, city, country, language, currency. Click save and enter your customizing request. And that's it. Our company is now created. Now how to create a company code. The navigation path is SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definitions, financial accounting. Then we can choose edit, copy, delete, check company code. Now let's create a company code which is mandatory for financial accounting. You have two options: either copy an existing company code easier for a standard setup, or create a new one from scratch. Let's do that for learning purpose. Steps to create a company code. First, we will go edit company code. Click new entries, fill the data as company code, company name, city, country, currency, and language. Save it. Great. Our company code is created. Now the fourth step is assign company code to company. The same navigation path SPRO we use, or we can use the T code as well. So you can follow that. I will provide the steps in the descriptions. Finally, we need to link our company code to company we created. Click on new entries, enter company code, and then company code, and save it. Now our company code is officially part of the company structure. And that's how you set up a company and company code in SAP IMG. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comments, and more SAP tutorials. For more SAP tutorials down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step SAP videos. Thank you so much.